As you guys can see, this is my current situation right here. These lights are out. Those lights are still in, but they're the yellow ones. I want to switch it to that nice bright white daylights. And these are the 4-foot bulbs. We'll go ahead and switch them out. So you guys, I did buy a 4-pack. And let me go ahead and pull it out so you guys can see it. But it is, if I can pull it out. There you go. You guys can see it right there. It has the 2 metal knobs at the end, the 2 plugs. Let's go ahead and pull this all the way out. And this is the LED one. Okay, so we're gonna switch it out. The old one is done. It's Dunsky. This is the new and improved stuff right here. It's electricity saver, so I do want to switch these out here. First, we got to get rid of the old ones. Okay, so the green one, that's the old prongs right there. And then this is the new one right here, the white one. So all we're doing is switching them out. They're the same. You guys could see that the new one is a little bit skinnier, but it's still gonna fit in there. And these are the nice bright LED lights. You guys could see them right there. Let's go ahead and switch it out now. Okay, got the first one up there. So don't forget to remove these little end caps off on both sides, and also this little plastic strip that's on there right there. It's just to protect it during the shipping. Okay, so we got number 2 on there. Now we're gonna turn on the lights and see how it looks. Okay, you guys, just like that, you can see the nice bright lights that I put up. They're working perfectly fine. You have the LED. You guys could see the difference between the 2. The old one, I'm actually gonna, since I bought that 4-pack, I'm gonna switch the other 2 out. But you guys, look at it. Speaks for itself.